Hi Year 3, it's Mrs Pearce here. Welcome back for session 2 on fractions. Today we're making number pairs. Let's have a look at the in focus. Here's Charles. He's got one whole block. How many parts is it split into? Charles says that 4/9 and 5/9 make one whole. He's written that as fractions. 4/9 and 5/9 together make one whole. And he's asking you what other fractions make one. So there are lots of possible answers to this in focus. It's really about how much thinking you do and how many different ways you can show your ideas. So pause the video while you think about how many ways you can make one with fractions. So it doesn't have to be ninths. You could do this with Lego. You could do it on a number line. You could draw it with squares in your book. There are lots and lots of ways you can show this. So pause the video and see how much fun you can make it. Fantastic. I would love to see some of your representations of fractions making one. Let's have a little look at our Let's Learn. Okay, Hannah says 1/9, which we can see there in blue, and 8/9 make one. Sam says 2/9 and, oh, he hasn't given us the full answer here. Yes, 7/9 make one. What does this representation show us? One, 2, 3/9 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6/9 make one. Can you see how the numerators, the top numbers, add together to make 9? Okay, let's have a little look at our guided practice. We've got some great representations down the side here. On the left, we're being asked to form those number pairs. So 1/3 and make 1. Pause the video now while you use these representations to help you. Well done. Let's have a little look at question 2. Here's a different way of showing it. We'll start with A and B. Now, we've got 4/5 here, and we could make that by adding 2/5 and 2/5 together. Can you think of another way to make 4/5? We've got 1/5 here. What would we put in this part? Sticking with the part whole model, we're trying to make a total of 5/7. There's 1/7 here. How many more sevenths do we need to have a total of 5/7? Now you can try a different way of making 5/7. Again, if you'd like to use something like Lego to help you, that would be fantastic. Let's have a look at the third one. It's sideways this time. Okay, here we've got the two parts, and we'd like to know what total they would make. I think you're ready now for the worksheet. Remember, if you need to see it in more detail, there's a copy for you to print. Pause the video now and then come back for the answers. Well done, Year 3. Let's have a little look at the answers. You can mark your work and be sure to ask any questions you need of your grown-ups, and they can email all of the teachers. Take care, everybody.